Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change haptics of sending mail on the iPhone. So what you want to do is to go to the settings and then go to the option called Sounds and Haptics. Once you are here, you are going to search for Send Mail, and here you can select your ringtone, but if you go to the top, you're going to find haptics. So now it is synchronized, so it means that the haptics are synchronized to the type of the tone that you have chosen. Also, you can select from different types of patterns that Apple gives us, and also you can choose from the custom ones that you have made. And you can even create a new vibration, and how to do this we have another video on our channel about that. And once you select the one that is good for you, you are going to click on the specific one, and if you have the tick next to it, it means that from this time you are going to get this specific pattern when you send an email. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.